In this video, I want to show you how to use 3M rubbing compound in order to get those superficial scratches off of your vehicle paint, or you may even have some deeper scratches that go all the way through almost to the primer, and 3M will actually help you get it off, just as long as the scratch doesn't go all the way through the primer, which is basically the bottom paint that's going up against the metal. So I'm going to first show you how to get rid of scratches off of your vehicle with 3M, but I'm also going to show you how to get rid of paint transfer. So if your vehicle run against another vehicle, or if it run against a car garage door or something like that, I'm going to show you how to use 3M to get that off as well. So first, you can see here on my car door, I don't know if I ran through branches or what happened, but you see that there's like 2 long scratches on the side of my door here. So the only thing I did was just use 3M to rub the scratch off. And the only thing you need, of course, is the 3M and a terry cloth, if you got terry cloth, or I like using microfiber cloth, and you can get this at any Ace or Lowe's or Home Depot, because it just has a good texture in order to help the abrasive to get the scratch off. And so as you can see here, I'm going through like a circular motion, and I'm just putting really big drops around the scratches and just going around and just scratching, getting the scratch really good, going in a circular motion. And then I'm washing it with water, and then you might see still a little bit of scratch. Go over it again with the 3M. Just go in a circular motion and just keep going around until the scratch is completely disappeared. And actually at the end here, you can see I used Armor All Ultra Shine just to shine it up a little bit. You might want to use a little bit of small turtle wax to go back over it and wash it back off with water. Now in this example here with the paint transfer issue, what happened was my teenage daughter, she just got her learner's permit and she's inexperienced, and she turned and she sideswiped the vehicle. My front passenger bumper sideswiped the back of her passenger quarter panel and her bumper, and you could see here the damage. And don't worry about my neighbor, I was able to take care of it. I paid for it out of pocket, so that was something that 3M could not get off, would be these really deep scratches that actually went through the primer. But now on my vehicle, I thought, oh no, I'm going to have to take it to a collision shop, and but I was shocked. I thought, wait a second, I remember I have 3M. Let me try doing the 3M. And sure enough, I started rubbing on the side where her paint, her bright red paint, transferred over onto my deep maroon red Nissan bumper. And sure enough, I started noticing her paint was coming off. And I was able to get all of her damaged paint off of my vehicle using 3M compound, and I'm so happy and so just excited that I was able to get it removed. So if you have anything like this, paint transfer from a vehicle or a wall, or if you have deep scratches or superficial scratches, try using 3M. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.